Update lang po sa withdrawal na sistema sa Forex, which is I have encountered a problem. Pero the good thing is it was not the end, no? It was not the broker's main cause. It's not a cause by the brokers. But the causes of the problem is yung local natin dito. Particularly Paymaya. So again, as always, Pepperstone, I have requested for withdrawal, no, a total of this amount. Tapos that was on June 13, which is, kung mapapansin nyo po, June 13 is Saturday, kaya hindi nila ito na-process. Na-process nila on the 15th na. So, 1 business day. And yes, on the 15th na, on my PayPal, I have received the amount that I have withdrawn. Mapapansin nyo dyan, that's June 15. So again, thanks to Pepperstone, as always, hindi sila pumapalya. The only problem that I encountered is itong local natin, the Paymaya. Sa Paymaya naman, hindi ako nakaka-receive ng one-time PIN. That I really don't know. I have called the support at in-escalate na daw nila. So, it's been 48 hours already. And sabi sa akin 24 hours to monitor. Pero wala pa rin. So, I guess I have to call them again. Now, so what I did para ma-encash ko into Philippine peso kasi US dollar po is I transfer this money to my friend na yung PayPal niya ang nakalink doon is Gcash. So better have Paymaya or Gcash link to your PayPal para makuha nyo ang encashment nyo through sa kapareho ko na through PayPal, no? Now, the disadvantage naman dito is napakamura lang po talaga, no, ang conversion nila ng US dollar. But it's okay. At least it's fast. Hindi na gagaya ng dati na umabot ako ng isang buwan if idadaan ko sa bangko. So ngayon, para lang in a total, kasi it was weekend 13 and in the 15 dumating sa PayPal, and sa Gcash naman, once nang na i-transfer ko yung fund, nakuha naman kaagad. So in conclusion, mabilis na po ang proseso through PayPal. Now, through bank, I really don't recommend. Some banks are good, some banks are not, and my experience is not good through bank. So, although ganun din yata ang conversion nila sa dollar and sa fees, medyo mataas lang ng konti ang PayPal. But then again, peace of mind natin na darating kaya, hindi kaya tayo masascam. Yun yung mga tanong sa mga katulad ko noon na baguhan. So, that's all, folks. That's for the updates sa ating withdrawal. So, if you do have questions regarding this, please comment below. And if you have a suggestion also, please comment below. Maraming salamat po.